In this full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover your hacked Gmail or Google account without having any recovery email address or any recovery phone number. And also, I'm going to fix all your login issues and two-step verification problems and any other account restore problems. Using this method, not even you can recover your hacked Google and Gmail ID, you can restore your hacked YouTube channel and all other Google related accounts and applications. All you have to do, follow the same steps. When someone hack your email account, immediately he will change your all login details and recovery option. So you have to recover it without any verification method. If you watch this full tutorial, I will show you 3 different methods to recover your account. So if the first method didn't work for you, you can try out the second method. If you follow this step correctly, Google asks you how they can contact you. Then you can add a new recovery email address or phone number. After that, you can get a recovery link to this new recovery email or phone number. Using that recovery link, easily you can reset your password and you can log back into your account and you can remove all unauthorized activities and devices. Then you can get the full access or fully control of your account back. So I invite you to watch the full tutorial before you start. Then you can get a complete idea. Finally, you will be able to recover your account step by step. As well as if you want alternative links and video, you can find them all in the comment section too. So without any further ado, let's jump into our first method. For the first method, you can use your default web browser. So open your web browser. It doesn't matter which browser on your mobile. Open your default web browser. After opening, go to search bar. Then you have to type and search how to recover your Google account or Gmail. This one like this. After searching, you will get this kind of search result. Here you have to select the very first search result. How to recover Google account or Gmail. Just tap that. Then you will get this help window. Here you have to scroll a little bit down. Under forgot your password, you can see this blue color link. Recover your Google account or Gmail. Just tap that link. Then you will get this recovery page. From this recovery page, they ask you to enter your hacked Gmail ID or phone number. If your Gmail ID almost forgot, you can select this forgot email. Then they ask you to enter your first name and last name as well as your recovery phone number or any other verification method. Then they will provide you a forgot email address. As well as if you send some email to your friend, you can ask help from your friend. Somehow, after entering, you can tap the X button to go forward. After that, they ask you to enter your password. If you have access or if you remember your password, you can enter it here. But unfortunately, hacker has already changed it. You can tap try another way option in the bottom left corner. Then it will show another verification method. If you have turned on two-factor authentication using another application, they ask you to enter that code here. But unfortunately, if you can't access that application code like earlier, just tap try another way. Then they ask you to enter any backup code here. If you remember any backup code, you can enter it here. Otherwise, just tap try another way. Like this, they will provide all recovery options one after another. Here, I highly recommend you to, if you have access to one recovery method, just select that verification method or recovery method and get a verification code. After that, you can verify yourself. Like this one is important. If you have added a recovery phone number, they will show that option too. Here, first you have to enter that phone number here. After that, you can get a verification code by SMS. If you lose your SIM card, you can request a new SIM card from your telecommunication partner with the same number. After that, you can get a verification SMS. Using that verification code, you can verify yourself and you can recover your account. But unfortunately, hacker has already changed your phone number and you don't recognize this phone number. All you have to do, tap try another way to go forward. Then you can see all your recovery email address. The first email address is my hacked email ID. Then you can see your recovery email address. If you recognize this email address, you can select that one. Then you can request a verification code to that email number. So you have to check this email inbox. After that, you can receive a verification code. So you can enter that code, then you can go to password reset option. But unfortunately, if you don't have any code or if you can't access your recovery email address too, just tap try another way. As well as if you already added an alternative email address, you can see that here. You can do the same thing for your alternative email address. But unfortunately, if you don't have access to any recovery phone number or email or any other recovery method, all you have to do, just tap try another way to sign in. Then you will get this kind of error window. They mention couldn't sign you in because they ask you to answer many questions as you can. That means they ask you to select at least one verification method. For the second method, they ask you to a device that you used to sign into a Google account or Gmail account before. You can try out with your mobile, PC, desktop, laptop, notebook or any other device that you used to sign into a Google account before. Then they will allow you to recover your account. But if you can't find out another device as well as if you couldn't verify yourself, still you get couldn't sign you in error message, I invite you to try out the second method. For the second method, you can use any Google company application. Either you can use your Gmail, Google Play Store, whatever the application from Google. Here, I will use my YouTube application. I believe everyone has this application on their device. So, open your YouTube application. Then you have to add your hacker Gmail ID to this device. To add a new account, first tap your channel avatar in the bottom right corner. Then you have to tap this Switch Account option under your channel name. Then you will get this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, you can see this plus sign in the top right corner. Now tap this plus sign. Then just wait a few seconds until it gets checked. After that, you will get this sign in window. This page almost like recovery page. First, enter your hacked email ID. After entering your email ID, tap the next button. If you forgot your email, I will show you how to find your email ID in another video. As well as I will put that video link in the description too. Or you can check out my channel. In the next window, they ask you to enter your password. Here you can try out with any of your old password. You don't need to enter current password because hacker has changed it. Try out with your any old or previous password. Because Google tracks every movement of your recovery process. You can build a trust with them if you can enter any of your old login details. Then they will straight allow you to recover your account. After that, they will provide all possible recovery methods one after another. Here, I invite you to select at least one verification method. If you can answer at least one of these questions, they will allow you to recover your account easily. But unfortunately, if you have no any code or if there is no any other recovery method, all you have to do, tap try another way to sign in. Not like Facebook, you can go through this recovery process unlimited number of times. So I invite you to try out with the different setting. So you can turn on your location permission, then they can access where you are and you are the real person or you are the real owner of this account. Then they will allow you to recover your account. Like that, you can try out with different settings and permission. Somehow, if Google confirm you are the real owner of this account, they will allow you to get a recovery link. To get a recovery link, they ask you to add a new email address. So this will be your new primary email address. Here, if you got this kind of recovery window, they ask you to add a new email address. Here, you have to enter a new email address which you can access. Then they will send a verification code. After a little bit time, they will send a recovery link. Using that recovery link, easily you can reset your password and you can get back to access to your hacked Google or Gmail account. But unfortunately, if you couldn't get this Google contact window or if you couldn't get a recovery link, I highly recommend you to try out the third method. In the third method, I will show you how to directly contact them and get a recovery link and recover your account. So, if you couldn't get this one, I invite you to jump into other chapter. You can jump there by clicking the timestamp below. But if you could get this contact window, first, they ask you to add new email address. After that, you have to verify this email address. After adding new email address, they will send a verification code to your new email address. So, if you can check your inbox of your new email address, You can see there is a new email from Google. If you open that, you can see there is a one-time verification code. So you have to enter that code here. I will enter my code here. Then I will tap the next button. So now on, this will be your new recovery email address. All new recovery links and emails will be sent to this one. Finally, you have to wait some time until they send a recovery link. It depends how many questions that you answer earlier. If you could answer 2-3 questions, they will send within next 2-3 hours. Normally, they will send a new recovery link within next 6 hours. After 6 hours, they will send a recovery link to my new email address. Using that link, easily you can reset your password and log back into your account. But if you couldn't get any recovery link, I will show you how to do it directly. Let's jump into our third method. For the third method, you can use any browser. Now just open your default web browser, then type and search how to recover your Google account or Gmail like earlier. Here, within this search result, you have to select the very first search result. After that, you will get this Google help window. Here, scroll down a little bit. Earlier we selected recover your Google account or Gmail link. Instead of that one, now I invite you to scroll down and select this link. Recover a hacked or hijacked Google account or Gmail. This time, tap that link. Then you will redirect to another window. Here, scroll a little bit down. Now, you have to select this blue color link. Account recovery page under if you can't sign in. Just tap account recovery page. Again, you will get this account recovery page. Like earlier, now you have to enter your hacked email ID. Here you can enter your email ID without @gmail, or you can just enter like me with @gmail.com. It doesn't matter to your recovery process. Enter your email address like this, then you have to go through the recovery process. Tap the next button. Now they ask you to enter your password. Since hacker has changed it, you don't have any password. So you have to tap forgot password again. After that, like earlier, they will provide all possible recovery options one after another. Here you can check is there any new recovery option. When you change some settings and permission level, according to those settings, they will ask a different recovery option. They can get asked any two-step verification method or any recovery phone number or any recovery email address. Sometimes even they can ask any offline code. Instead of that, even they can ask you to enter your screen lock pattern or fingerprint or any other biometric data. It depends on your security level and how much hacker has changed your recovery details. So I invite you to go through this recovery process multiple times while adjusting your permission level and using different devices. You can use PC, laptop, desktop or any other device. But in worst case scenario, you don't have to access any of these recovery methods and you can't find any older device. In that case, you could get this couldn't sign you in error message again and again. So let's fix this error right now. All you have to do, swipe all the way to the bottom. At the bottom, you can see help option. Tap the help option in the bottom left corner. Then you will redirect to Google account help window. Here, tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Now select the last option, submit feedback in the bottom left corner. In this pop-up window, the default selection is the first one. You can leave it alone. Then tap the next button. After that, you will get this kind of feedback form. In this box, you have to enter your problem. After that, you can attach a screenshot. Then you can submit this form to Google. Then they will respond you. So you can type your problem like this. Here, I do not recommend type and send the same description like me. You can customize your message. Otherwise, Google AI think this is another spam. After that, they will ignore this message. So, enter your own problem in your own word and you can provide necessary information to prove this is your account. And also, I highly recommend you to attach a screenshot of your problem. Take a screenshot of put inside new in page, then you can attach your screenshot like this. After attaching your screenshot, you have to check this box. Then they will ask more information if they want. So check this one. We may email you for information or update. So finally you can tap the send button. Then your report will be sent to the Google team. Like this, you will get this kind of notice too. After a little bit time, you can check the email inbox that you used to send that report to Google. So refresh your inbox, then you can see this kind of email from Google. It mentioned they have thanked you for contacting them, as well as they are about to review your request and they will give some access to your account if they confirm this account is really belongs to you. Then after a little bit time, you will get this kind of critical security alert message. In that message, they have mentioned they will send a recovery link within this much of time. In my message, they will send a recovery link within 6 hours. This link sent in time will be different to account. Sometimes it will send within 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours and 72 hours. It depends on your account security level and what are the unusual activities that has been carried out. So you have to wait some time. After that, you will get new email like this. Go to your new email address, then refresh the inbox. Here you can see there is a new email from Google. Then you have to open that email. If you open that, you can see there is a one-time recovery link to sign back into your hacked Google or Gmail account. Keep in mind, you have to use this recovery link within next 7 days. Once you use it, it will be expired. So this is a one-time code and you can use only one time. To get back access to your account, just tap Get Started button. Then you will be redirected to another window. In this window, they will allow you to reset your password. Now create a new password. In this window, they don't ask any of your old password or any other verification method. Without having any old password, you can reset or you can create a new password. Enter new password twice. I highly recommend you to create a strong password. After creating new password, you have to save it. To save it, tap Change Password button. Then this will be your new Google account password. After that, they ask you to go for a security checkup. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to increase the security level of your account. Instead of that, I'm just showing how to recover it. If you want to watch that video, you can find that video link in the description too. After going through these security checkup steps, you have to tap the continue button at the bottom to log back into your hacked account. Then you will see this welcome back message, and also you could able to log back into your hacked account without any problem. And also you can increase the security level of your account. But unfortunately, after following all these 3 methods, still you couldn't log back into your account, I invite you to try out the latest recovery video. Because Google updates their recovery process by adding new features recently. So if you want to watch the latest Gmail recovery video, you can click this end screen video and come on over. Or you can find that video link in the description, or I will put the playlist link in the description too. As well as there is a whole playlist on my YouTube channel. It's all about how to recover your hacked social media account like Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, Snapchat, like all your social media account recovery videos you can find on my YouTube channel. As well as there are several playlists on each topic. I invite you to check out those videos if you have a recovery problem about other social media accounts too. And finally, if you want to watch the latest Gmail recovery video, you can click this end screen video and come on over. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later!